Drops of this syrup on your scalp and wait to see all your lost hair grow back. Awesome! Everyone dreams of thick and healthy hair. However, many people experience excessive hair loss. This is a serious issue, and it can affect the self-esteem of a person. Hair loss can be caused by several factors, including aging, stress, excessive smoking, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, heredity, scalp infections, and some medical conditions. It is normal when a person loses 50 to 100 strands a day. However, when a person starts losing more than that, an immediate solution should be found. This is crucial because if left untreated, it may lead to baldness or bald spots. Fortunately, you can use various natural ingredients to treat hair loss at home. One of the best natural remedies for hair loss are essential oils. The essential oils are concentrated, and they are extractions of blossoms, fruit, leaf, bark, wood, flowers, and resins. They are usually used topically and have antiviral and antiseptic properties. Their smell stimulates the mood and motivation. Moreover, they influence the hormonal system and stress levels. Therefore, you can use some of the most beneficial essential oils in combination with other oils to treat hair loss. Here's how to prepare a powerful remedy at home, natural solution for hair loss. Ingredients: 50 milliliters of castor oil, 20 milliliters of organic coconut oil, 10 milliliters rosemary essential oil, 5 milliliters lavender essential oil optional. Instructions: first, take the castor oil and add it in a serum drop jar. Then, add the coconut oil in the jar. Next, add the rosemary essential oil and mix the ingredients. You should then close the jar with its lid and shake well until the oils blend well. Moreover, you can also add a few drops of lavender oil. You should apply several drops of this serum on the problem areas of the scalp. Then, water the serum on the scalp using the fingers. Use the serum 2 to 3 times a day. In just 2 weeks you will notice the hair growing.